Hi, I'm Roman, one of the 3 owners at Nomad here, and today I wanted to take a couple of minutes to say thank you to the Warwick Audio Visual team for the fantastic job they've done here at Nomad. I had this vision about Nomad. Nomad is a cocktail bar right in the center of Leamington Spa, if you don't know. I wanted people to feel like when they enter the place, first of all, it activates the senses, so the lights are very, very important here. The audio, the sound is very, very important as well. Aspect that is very important is obviously the security, the CCTV side of things. We want to be able to control and have the right alarm in place as well. When I got in contact with Tim from Warwick Audio Visual, the first thing I was asking was for the lights. I didn't even know that actually they could do a lot more, like also do like the audio and CCTV, which is for me it's a plus. I wanted to be able to control the sound, the music, as well as the lights with a touch of a finger. So I wanted it to be easy to play, to create like different vibes, different lighting, if you want, at different time of the day. The team at Warwick Audio Visual managed to find me the right solution for that. They have a fantastic team and level of expertise, and now I can grab the iPad here and just change the light colors. You can change the bar color, the front of the bar color together. We've got lights that are going through the chandeliers here. I mean, it's quite advanced, and again, I can do all of that with the touch of a finger. So it's fantastic.